Hello everybody from my kitchen in Tucson, Arizona. It's only 95 degrees here today, so that means it's fall. Woohoo! It's under 100. So between the July and September resets, I decided to set myself up a raw vegan prep station, and the area in my kitchen that I selected is this little countertop right behind me. Let me show you around. So this is the counter space I decided to select as my raw vegan prep station. It's convenient to the trash can, and it's not too far from the sink. And I consolidated all of my things right here. As you can see, here is my little organic garden. I've got my sprouts here. I've got some broccoli sprouts that are gonna get harvested and put in the freezer today. And there's some red cabbage sprouts that are gonna go into salad tonight and a couple more meals. Some alfalfa and mung beans that are getting started in jars. And of course my little grow lights. And then here in this drawer I have all of my working tools, except for one. So I've got my spoon and fork, my straws, my knives and such, my wonderful lemon squisher. I use this julienne peeler from OXO that I love. And then the cabinet below has all of my other things. My Vitamix, my tea kettle, and things for taking care of the microgreen sprouts, my salad spinner and big mixing bowls, a bowl that my husband made, another bon, and the big bon. Plus a couple of cutting boards. I've got 3 here. And Felix, who has to help, of course. And now for la pièce de résistance. Yes, I can go over here to the stove and I can turn on the light and get more light in this area. But we installed an under cabinet light. Wait for it. Oh, I love it. So while the things I use every day are here in this cabinet and this drawer, I do have a few other things scattered around the kitchen. The oven, which neither of us use, has become the perfect place to store my grow mats for the microgreens. And then I do share a box grater with my husband. I use this all the time. Over here, I've got all of my food storage. It's pretty empty right now because I just went to the grocery store yesterday. And then down here in this cabinet is where the dehydrator lives. It comes out of hibernation for a couple weeks every 2 months, right after dehydrator day in the raw reset. Imagine that. I've always kind of been a minimalist at heart, and I think that's one of the things that really attracts me to raw vegan, is that I can really simplify a lot of things, and that includes in the pantry. I'm also trying to really cut down on plastic waste, and so that's one of the things I really like. So here you can see all of the bulk goods. There's nori, sprouting seeds, seeds and nuts for dressings, dates, nut butter, the usual raw vegan accoutrement. And then down here we've got our fruit and veggie storage. So that's the pantry. I don't know quite what it is that I like so much about having this dedicated prep station for my meals. It's a lot like my bon. It's proprietary. Only the good things go in there. And it just makes me feel special and spoiled to have that space for my things. And having that light installed over the counter for it really just topped it off and made it special. Anyway, wanted to share it with people who would care and get it. And I hope you all are having a great day. Bye.